All right, everybody. Welcome back to my desk studio. This is Unboxing Show. I unbox watches. I do have a new watch to unbox today. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to look up the specs. I do want to say at the top of the video, if you can hear my voice, please hit that subscribe button. We're going to grow a channel here. We're going to grow a little community. We're going to unbox some watches. We're going to box some other things. We're going to have fun. And we're going to do some giveaways. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I do want to start giving watches away every month. You want to be a part of that, hang out with me, unbox some stuff. I implore you, please, bang that subscribe button. But let's get right down to the unboxing, okay? We'll do a quick wristwatch check. I've got the Seiko Batman Turtle on. One of my new favorite pieces currently. I'm really enjoying this watch. So, but let's get down to business. So I did receive a box. It's from watchgang.com. It is a watch that I got from that I purchased through them from a wheel spin. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see what it's about. Just to remind you guys, watchgang.com is a monthly subscription watch service, but you can also buy watches on the side as well. And this is what I did. So they didn't send me this out for a subscription. However, I did purchase it. So let's move everything out of the way. If you'll notice, for those who pay attention, we are actually working with a super wide angle now, so you can see a lot more of my desk than just this area here. So if you like that, seeing more, let me know. Throw a like or a comment, okay? So this is what we got here, guys. Blacklist, okay? Now, I know these were sent out under Watch Gang's Black Tier $99 subscription. It was a Quartz model. I actually had one, and I unboxed it. However, this model is a little bit different. So this is the same. It's a Blacklist, but the same model as the one that I had before. Which what I'll do is I'll put in the description box the other unboxing from the previous Blacklist watch. It's literally the same watch, different color, but it's Quartz. This one is a little bit better color, but it is also automatic. Okay, so this has the Seiko NH35 movement. Okay, so let's take a look here. So that's the box, Blacklist, and for those of you who watch the channel regularly, you know that I'm a stickler for logos and fonts, just because I do a little bit of that work on the side myself. Obviously, these are some of my logos over here that I've designed for some of my brands, but this is very nice. I like the lettering on the Blacklist, and I do like the logo. I do like the murdered out box as well. The box is murdered out black on black. That looks very cool. Let's open that. Let's take this out. Oh, don't ingest that. Let's move this out of the way here. So here's what we got here. So this is the Dtreetmatic, guys. And the Dtreetmatic, so I can bring this in. So they're saying it has a carbon fiber dial. I don't know if it's actual carbon fiber style. I really don't know. As you can see, the plastic is still on this. Let's peel the plastic off. This one has a carbon fiber dial. Okay, I do like the way this hand looks here. I do like that a lot. So it's got some nice, some interesting brushed and features steel going on here. Doesn't look like a whole lot of high polish, but a lot of brushed steel going on here. Let's check out the back. So we do have a display case back. So on the other one that was Quartz, I don't believe it had a display case back. Obviously, no one wants to see a Quartz movement, but this one here has a display case back, so you can see that NH35 working. In terms of the clasp, so we've got the logo there. That's pretty standard fare. Okay, just a regular clasp. It's not anything too crazy, but it'll do the job at this price point. We'll fold that over. I want to see it move. Let's see it. Let's see the movement working here. Okay, so we don't have a. So this is there's no type of. This is not a. It doesn't have a screw down crown, is what I'm trying to say, but stumbling over. So as you can see, we do have a date complication as well. What I want to do is actually just want to wind it a little bit just to see this sweep here. So again, this is a Seiko NH35, guys. This is all standard fare. This is for micro brands anyway. Let's see if we can get that moving. See what that looks like. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, that's the tick there, huh? So that's the sweep. Not tick, but sweep. that's the sweep there. I think it looks really nice. I like the red. The red color is very nice. So it's got red there. It's got a red hand. But yeah, Blacklist Dtreetmatic. Let's see, we got the logo here too. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to throw this on. We're going to take a look here. We're going to take off the Batman Seiko Turtle and throw on the Blacklist Dtreetmatic. Let's see here. There we go. So now this is huge, and my wrists are already huge. This is even bigger, so this needs to have some links taken out of it. But I don't think it's a terrible looking watch, to be honest with you. I like it a lot, actually. Yeah, we'll see the case size. The case size looks decent on me. We'll see how big it is, just because I'm a bigger guy. So we'll take a look and we'll see what the case size is doing here. But I really like that red hand. That's really nice. That red second hand is very nice. So let's take a look here. We'll look at the website, guys. We'll see what's going on here. Let me unlock my phone. Here we go. All right. So I have the site pulled up. This is it here. We'll bring it in for the close-up. So this is it here. So as I said, we have a Dtreetmatic. Whoa. I did. There we go. We have the Blacklist. And again, this is a Dtreetmatic model in Rosso Corsa steel. So it looks like they have an inflated MSRP of $429. You can get this from Watch Gang. This particular watch is at Watch Gang. I think it's about $150 on the wheel. Okay. But let's check out the specs here. So we've got a case size of 43 millimeters, not too big, not too small, nice in the middle size here. It's not like a 45 or 46, but it's also not a 40. So, they clearly went with a size that would fit most people. You can see the case thickness 12 millimeters. The dial is carbon fiber, they're saying. We've got rose quartz red accents. Let's see. We've got luminescent hands and indices. We've got a stainless steel bracelet, or strap as they put it. 22 millimeters. So, 22 millimeters, good size. Let's see here. Automatic NH35 movement. And we've got a sapphire-coated mineral crystal for the glass, which, listen, for the price, it's not too terrible, to be honest with you guys. I like this a lot, actually. I got rid of the other one, so I traded the other one away that I had, just because it was quartz, and I don't usually keep a lot of quartz watches. I have a couple, but I don't keep a bunch. This particular one with the NH35, I mean, we'll have to see if I decide to keep it or not. I may hold on to it, but I do like the NH35 movement in this particular one. This might be worth holding on to. Oops, I think I bumped the camera. This might be worth holding on to. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you watching. This is another unboxing. Like I said, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Go crazy on it. I've got my coffee. I'm ready for the day. Just had to knock out a quick unboxing. If you guys could browse the channel, check out some other videos, I would appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Unbox and chill. Talk to you later.